Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you two different wreath ideas for summer using only Dollar Tree items. To begin this first wreath, you're going to pick up two of these willow wreaths from Dollar Tree. I picked up one big and one small. I'm going to be putting them two together to make one big one. You're also going to pick up bunches of flowers of your choice. To combine both wreaths together, I just cut this small one in half like this. Then with brown pieces of ribbon, just put them together. I decided to do this because one alone is very thin and I wanted the wreath to kind of look bulky and full. Now the wreath is only going to look thick on one side, like you're going to see now in a minute, but that's okay because the thin side we're going to be covering it with the flowers anyways. Once both wreaths are together, the rest is simple. Just begin to glue your flowers and decorations on your wreath. For my flowers, I went looking for kind of a sunflower theme, but I found these yellow ones instead, so I began using these. I then found this bigger one and just ended up gluing one of the small sunflower seeds from Dollar Tree inside of this big one to make one huge sunflower, and I used this instead. Once the big sunflower was glued down, I began to glue all the rest around it. And here was the first summer wreath that I did. Now to make the second summer wreath, I wrote out the word hi on a piece of cardboard I had laying around and I cut it out. I painted it white and let it dry. Now for this wreath, I used the same method as the first one that we did. I glued the small one onto the big one just to make it bulky. I then glued my sign onto the wreath and began gluing some flowers I had laying around from my previous projects. You honestly don't need much to make a cute wreath for your home. Just visit your local Dollar Tree and let your imagination and glue gun go wild. Have fun and be creative. Until next time, bye!